If you are someone who uses AI to create your videos, you'll love what I'm about to show you. If you've been watching my videos on this channel, you come across videos where I've talked about platforms where you can access some AI tools for free. You can check this video here. I've also dropped the link in the description so you can watch it after this tutorial. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Abasiofon Emmanuel. I help business owners attract customers using content and simple systems. And on this channel, I share tips on content, AI, and simple marketing systems. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Omni to create your AI videos for free. So make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any part of this tutorial. And also ensure you like, subscribe to this channel so you keep getting amazing tutorials like this. Now let's dive in. So when you go to your browser, you type in Flow AI. Look at it, Flow AI. Now this is the first one I'm clicking on. This one you see Google Labs. This is what I'm going to click on right away to get access to Google Omni. So when you get in, you'll be asked to choose a particular account that you use to sign in. So you're going to choose your particular Google account to sign in with. So when you are here, this is the interface that you see. So you scroll down to get Google Omni. So if you scroll down, you see this introducing Gemini OmniFlash, okay? And if you look down, you see try Omni now. All right. So what you're going to do is click on try Omni now. Okay, now it brings us to this particular interface. So we're going to click on got it. Right now, I work with some characters here. That's why you can see all of this. So I'm going to show you how you can get your character to actually start creating your videos here on this platform. And the first thing I'm going to do is click on this particular plus sign here. I'm going to click on create character. You have two options here. Either you create a character or you upload. Let me go back. Look at this plus now. You see upload media. Okay. Either you upload your image here or you can create your character here. So these particular images you are seeing, these two images you are seeing here, this white lady, I actually created them here. Okay, why is that one here that I seen? I uploaded the image here. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So I'm going to click on this plus sign. If I was to upload like that lady I just showed you, the first one down, I clicked on upload media. Okay, now for this other two white ladies here, I clicked on create character. So let me show you how you can do yours. I'm going to click on create character. So when you are here, these are sample characters that they have here. All you can do is click on them to get their prompt and you can tweak it to what you want. Okay, so right now I'm going to click on this particular first one here. If you look down, it's actually rolling here. It's rolling already. So we have describe your character. This is where your prompt is going to pop up. We are extracting the prompt from that particular character. You can see here it's already typing here for us to use. So it's still counting. Okay, it's done right now. So you can read through the prompt and see where you can tweak. Okay, you can tweak the gender, you can tweak the outfit, you can tweak about the hairstyle or the look or anything. But I'm not going to do too much here. I'm just going to tweak the gender, just the gender. I'm just going to go to where I can add either female or male to it. You see ultra photorealistic studio portrait of a subject. I'm going to click on this place. A female subject with an intense centered gaze. Okay, I'm going to look for somewhere else where I can actually add female to it. Okay, the subject wears, okay, the female subject, okay, wears, you can tweak on any other thing. I'm going to change the hairstyle in this particular place. So I don't want to do too much here. Let me just create. Okay, now we have a Nano Banana 2 and we have Nano Banana Pro. You can leave it on any of them to create for, but I'm going to leave it on Nano Banana 2 to create this particular image. So if you look down here, you have upload, you have add from projects. If you already have an image there, that's when you click on add from project. Now you have upload here. If I click on upload, I'm going to actually upload an image from my own gallery. So now I don't want to do any of those ones. I just want to create with using their own prompts here. So I'm going to click on this arrow here to send. So your free time, you actually explore the platform to see how you can create your own character, the different options that they have here. So we're going to wait for it to actually generate. So it's done generating and look at the character that we have. Honestly, this is what we had from that particular prompt that we actually got from this platform. So you can use it. So on this place, select a voice, character info. I don't do all of those things. Okay, you can explore it like I said. But right now I'm going to click on done. So this is what we have. You now have it as a list of all these things now. Okay, now how do you get from your own gallery? How do you get from your own gallery? So this is what you do. Okay, you click on this plus, click on upload media. So I'm going to click on this particular one. I'm going to click on done. So it's actually uploading right now. So this is what we have. See, this is how I got my own image from my gallery. Very simple. So anyone you want to work with, so you can still download it. Any image that you actually created on this platform, you can still download it. Now I'm going to click on this, any of this particular image that I just generated. I'm going to click on it. Look at it here. So if I want to download to my device, I just hold it. See, I say download image and I download it. You can also delete it, like you delete option that will pop up here. You can delete it as well, but I don't want to delete it. Okay, I'm just going to click on done and go back. So right now, let us create our video. See, image has been downloaded. So how do we create our video? So you're going to click on this place where you have what do you want to create. Click this place where you have video 6 seconds. Just click on it. Okay, now you have video. If I was to create an image, I click on image. Okay, but I don't create an image, I click on video. Leave it on video. Now if you come down, you have 9:16 and you have 16:9. I am working with YouTube. I'm going to use this 16:9 size. That's for the long form video. You can also click on 9:16. Now we have 1 times, 2 times, 3 times and 4 times. This is just showing you the number of outputs that you want. Okay, if you want to maximize your credit, do not leave it at 4 times, please. This is why you're going to create 4 same videos. Okay, but in different, maybe something may just change in the video, like different style, but it's just 4 different outputs that you can choose from. And if you are going to use that, you're going to use more credits. Okay, so if you don't want that, just leave it on 2 or either use it on 1, anyone that works for you, so you can maximize your credit. Because if you look at now, I put it on 1 times, see 10 credits, 4 times is 40 credits. So if you want to actually maximize your credits, you just reduce the number of outputs. You can leave on 2 times. So I think I'll just leave it on 1 times. I think I love this 1 time. This will be better to actually maximize my credit for me. Now this particular place, if I click on it, I have other models I can use from. Based on this particular tutorial where he's working with OmniFlash, I'm going to leave it on OmniFlash. Then we have duration here: 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds and 10 seconds. So if you know that your dialogue, that your script that the character is going to be saying is not long, leave it on 4 seconds or 6 seconds. But if it's long, you can try 8 seconds or 10 seconds. When I mean long, I don't mean very long. I just mean something that is moderate. Okay, you can leave it on 8 seconds or 10 seconds. Now if you change the number of that duration, you see that the credits are reducing. Okay, this is 10 seconds. See the credits, 15 credits. So if you don't want to waste your credit, you want to just make sure that it's enough for you to create enough videos as possible, just leave it on 6 seconds or 8 seconds or even 4 seconds, depending on how long your dialogue is. Right now I'm going to leave it on 6 seconds to generate for this particular video. So the total credit I'll be working with is just 10 credits. So if I'm going to use it at 2 times, it's going to be 20 credits. Do you understand? So I'm just going to leave that this 1 times. Now let's go to character. So I just touch on this particular down part to just close this particular place. Now for me to upload my character, you can click on this plus. It will take you to what you already have here, all those things you've created here. Okay, I'm going to click on this particular image I uploaded before. All right, click on it. Now this is how it works. Now if for instance you don't have any image on this place, like I clicked on this place, now there is no image, that you don't want to work with any of them here, this is how you go about it. So you simply come here and click on this plus. You see upload media, click on it. You go to your media and select the particular image that you want to work with. Let me say for instance I will select any image. Let me select a random image here now and upload it. Let me click on this particular, so I'll upload it. I select this particular image. It is actually uploading here. See, it becomes a part of this particular list right now. Okay, now how do I add this particular image to this project? I'll click on this plus again. See, it's not part of what I have here. I'm going to click on it now. See, it's not part of what I have. So if maybe the character or the image you want to use is not part of this upload, you click on this plus sign, close your gallery, click on this upload media and you add it from your gallery. I don't know if you understand. Then when it comes up around here, okay, you click on this plus sign here and you can find it among these ones that you just worked that are here. Okay, you just click on it and you add it to it. Okay, so I'm going to click on this X sign to close this. So this is how you work with your characters, like your images, if you want to use images on this platform to create your video. So I'm going to click on this place. I don't need this particular TikTok sign. I'm going to click on X. Okay, so I'm working with this particular one alone. Now where you have what do you want to create, this is where I'm going to paste your prompt. So right now I'm going to paste my prompt here. So automatically it's generating for me. Okay, it's actually queued because the other person is using a platform at the same time with me. So right now it's generating, it's counting. So you're going to wait for it to actually generate and you'll be able to get your video. So our video has been generated. So let me play this video for us to see.
Wow, if you're enjoying this video and you want more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll be sure.
Okay, now you find out there is actually a cut. Okay, it was about to say some things before it actually cut. Okay, because the 6 seconds was not enough. Probably I will have used 8 seconds or even 10 seconds. So look at your script. It actually said the first part of what I actually wanted, and it did not finish saying to the rest part of the script. So just look at your script and see how long it is. Then you choose a particular duration that works perfectly for you. So if you want to actually download your video, all you have to do is click on this download symbol here, and you download it to your device. Now we have 720p, we have 180p upgrade upscaled, then we have 480p upscaled upgrade. So all these options you have to upgrade before you can actually use them. You can just download this original size, this 720p, and it will be on your device. So I'm going to generate another video, and I'm going to use 10 seconds right now so that we'll see if it can say everything that we've actually put out in our scripts. So right now I'm going to use 10 seconds. So I'll be using 15 credits for this. So I'm going to close this. Just click on any part of this thing. Okay, we have 10 seconds already. You allow it to generate and wait for the outputs. Alright, so our video has been generated. Let's play it and see.
Wow! If you're enjoying this video and you want more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll be showing you how to create AI videos, AI images, and grow your business.
You see that this one, it finished saying every single thing. So 10 seconds worked. So let me go back to this particular place. So the best tricks I would actually recommend for anybody if you want to maximize your credits, just use only this one times, and you can use 10 seconds or 8 seconds. These ones are good. Okay, so instead of using 4 times, you actually waste your credit, so you can just use 1 or maximum just use 2. So I've shown you how you can actually put in character here, whether you are creating your character from scratch or you are uploading your image that you already have, and how you can also create your video and also maximize the credits here on this platform. Now this platform has limits. You all know that when it comes to Flow, you have 50 credits per day. So as long as you log in every single day, you get credit, 50 credit per day, and you have to maximize it if you want to get the most of it, which I've actually showed us on how to do it here. All right, so let me go back and show you, just in case you've not noticed about your 50 credits. So when you are here on Flow, just click on your email. Just click on your email, and they may come with different letters. Anyone, this is my own, is E. So when you click on this place, this is what you see. So I have 25 Google Flow credits because I have used credits for today. Yours, you will see 50 if you are here to generate videos for the day. When you start creating videos, the credit will start to reduce. All right, like it says here, credit refreshes daily, as long as you are going to log in every single day. Now I created another video. These are actually 3 videos I've created here on this platform just today. Okay, I'm going to show you my credit. Now I showed you my credit before that I was 25 credit. I'm going to go back and show you again. This is a different video.
And don't stop here. Make sure you check out my next video. I'm sharing more ways to create AI content for free. Subscribe now so you don't miss it.
So let's go back and let me show you my credits. So let me click on this, my symbol right now. Click on it. See, 10 credits. So the thing is just your credit to be exhausted. Once your credit is exhausted, you can't create videos again. You can create more than 2. Like I said, you have to maximize your credit. That's why you just have to use just 1 output. Then you can use 8 seconds or 10 seconds. You can maximize your credits that way. I don't know if you understand me. So I've shown you how to maximize your credits, what you need to do. So this is how you can use Gemini Omni for you to generate your videos. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe to this channel for more amazing AI tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video.